Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today and Happy New Year. I've had an incredible amount of people ask me for this. They want to convert their existing yard over to a Bermuda grass yard, but really don't know how to go about doing it. I've been working on this guide for about 2 months now, and it's just about ready. Whether you're a DIY guy that wants a super nice Bermuda yard, or you're a lawn care professional that's wanting to extend your knowledge a little bit, this guide will take you through step by step, showing you every little detail that you need to know start to finish. If this is something that you're interested in and you want to know more about it, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up on my email list. Once the guide is ready to go, I'll simply shoot you an email letting you know that. Be sure and subscribe to the channel because in 2021 we have got tons of really cool yard videos to show you. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this, and I'll check you later.